What could you do on Kajabi in 30 days? While you're thinking about that question, I have something so exciting to tell you. I can now offer you a 30-day free trial. So in addition to everything else I can offer you, the 45-minute Zoom call and the $25,000 course launch email template, you now get 30 days free on Kajabi when you use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So in this video, I want to explore what you can do in 30 days. This is video 22 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We've been talking about how to start and build and grow your online business on Kajabi and be successful in the process to reach your income goals and make a huge impact in your niche. That's what this series is all about, and I'm here to help you do that. So we're gonna get all into what you could do in 30 days to get going on Kajabi. So for that, stick around. Like I said, if you wanna jump on Kajabi right now, go ahead and do it, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You can get 30 days free, the 45-minute Zoom call one-on-one with me to talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, how to get the best start on Kajabi and make the most out of these 30 days, and my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made me over $25,000. Can't wait to give you those as a way of saying thank you for using my link, which is an affiliate link, so I do appreciate it so much because I do get a small commission when you use it. So let's talk about 30 days. What could you do? All throughout this series, the last 21 days, we've been talking about Kajabi and building out your business on Kajabi in 90 days. But this got me thinking, what would it look like if you were to expedite this process and be up and running in 30 days? If you go back to a video that I made on day 12, I talked about what could you do on Kajabi in 3 months. And in that video, we went month by month through what you could do. And you can go watch that if you want to kind of look and see what the big plan is. But if I were going to expedite that process and I had 30 days on Kajabi, the very first thing I would do is make my lead magnet. We talked about this earlier on in the series, but I'd get a great lead magnet that had to do with the course that I was going to build, my mini course. I would make my lead magnet in a couple of hours. Lead magnets are not tough. I've got videos in this series on how to make them. You ought to be able to make them very quick. I would make it first day. Then I would set up a landing page for that lead magnet. Again, I have videos about that previous in this series. So I'd get my lead magnet and my landing page in place. I would continue making content that was centered on the course that I would start building. I would literally start building my course that day, like make the lead magnet, set up the landing page, and start building my mini course. I'd make it 4 or 5, maybe 6 lessons, 7 at the most, something like that. It would be a very concise yet valuable, tight course that solves one problem very well. And I'd figure out what in my niche is a problem that a lot of people ask me about that I can help them with. And I would build that course. I would start mapping out the lessons. I would start recording the lessons. I would go ahead and upload those lessons, any supporting PDFs and documents and worksheets that I want. I would just work on that for a couple of weeks until I got it up. And then that third week, I would plan out my launch. When am I gonna launch this course to my list? How am I gonna let them know? Map all of that out. And then that last week, week number 4, I would actually open up that course for launch. What this would do is in 30 days, you would have something up and running and making you money before that free trial ends. And then by the time the free trial ends and I'm on a paid Kajabi plan, I would take that course that I've already launched and already made some money from it. I would put it into an evergreen email funnel, which we'll talk about in this series, so that it can continue to earn me money in perpetuity. And I would work backwards and start building out some of the things that we've talked about already and will continue, like building out my website, making sure it's awesome, building out my email list, making sure it's awesome, working out some of the things on the Kajabi dashboard and the settings and all that. I would basically fast forward through a lot of that. If I had the 30-day trial, work on my course, get it up and get it launched, and then build out the infrastructure later. For me, what's fun about this is kind of the gamification of it. It's kind of a race. can I get this up and making money before I start paying? That's pretty cool. Now, you may decide that in the 30-day trial that you have, you don't need to be in such a rush. You want to get these pieces in place. You want to do the things that we've said to do, where you get your website built, you get a good email list going, you have a good automated sequence, you build your lead magnet, build your landing pages, and then month 2 is when you start working on your course. And that's totally fine. That's a very legit way to do it. I just want to think outside the box and figure out, what could I tell you that you could do in 30 days during a free trial that might be kind of fun? So either way, whether you want to take the expedited route, which I'm happy to help you with, or the standard route, which still gets you up and running in a couple of months, I want you to jump on Kajabi. It is simply the best. It has made my life so much easier as an online business owner. I used to have so many different tools and resources and things that I hobbled together trying to make my online business work, and Kajabi eliminated the need for all of that, and now it runs smoothly and saves me about $2,000 a year from what I used to pay for all those pieces. So go ahead and jump on Kajabi using my link. You're not going to regret it. Let me know in the comments what questions you have. I'm happy to answer them in these videos. And subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we do about Kajabi. And if you want to know more about Kajabi, click on this playlist right here, where I'll go further with you about what Kajabi can do and how it can simplify your life as an online business owner and help you reach your goals. So I can't wait to see you in that playlist, or you can wait for the next video in this series to pop up. I'll see you tomorrow.